Water. It covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface. And yet we know more about the far reaches of space than we do about the depths of our own oceans. But the view from above is beginning to lift the veil on these hidden places and revealing new mysteries. Just off the coast of Italy, in the Gulf of Naples, a view from above the blue waters reveals something incredible.
When you look down through the clear water, you can make out what appear to be streets and the remnants of entire buildings.
This looks like the grid of an ancient city.
Is that even possible? What exactly are we seeing here?
Could a closer look yield clues? Just below the water's surface, a clearer picture begins to emerge.
Divers have found rich marble floors and mosaic-tiled pools hidden for centuries under the sand.
Now, what's incredible is that this site covers an area of more than 170 hectares.
A massive expanse of submerged ruins, and something even more haunting, scores of sunken statues.
What is this place, and why is it underwater?
Can the view from above provide answers? Found along the neighboring shoreline are more ruins. These are remnants of an ancient Roman city known as Baiae.
But somewhere along the line, half of this harbor city got swallowed by the sea and lost for centuries.
What led to this unfortunate fate? And what else can be learned with a view from above?